Hi, welcome to My Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Luna from Super Monsters Pets. So I want you to take your marker and follow with me. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to start here at the bottom and I'm going to draw a little line down like this. And we're just going to make a nice big rounded eye like that on top. I'm going to draw the pupil as well and a little light reflection, and then the rest of the eye. There we go. And let's color in the pupil. Eyelashes, 1, 2, 3 eyelashes, and then for the other eye I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to take it all the way around and down, and the inner eye and the pupil as well, with a little light reflection, and I'm going to color it in there as well. That's great. And now for eyebrows, I'm going to start here right at the top and I'm going to draw her eyebrow, and on this side I'm going to start right above the eye. I'm going to take it up and I'm going to draw it all the way around like this, and there's the other eyebrow. A nostril, yeah, for the nose area, and then from here I'm going to make the mouth. And I'm going to include a little smile like this. Good. And our mouth is going to be open like that, and I'm just going to color it in like this, and then the bottom jaw. And now I'm going to draw the head. So on the eyebrow I'm going to make a round line like this, and then from here I'm going to draw an ear. So I'm going to bring the ear up, bring it over, there we go, and the inner ear, there we go. And now for the jawline, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make it round like this. Now for her hair, I'm going to actually go right here and do something like that, then right there, and you're going to return it. So we're going to do many of these semi-circles, you can call it like that, and there's one. The next one, the same thing, we're going to do this, and I'm going to start right here and I'm going to bring it back, right there, and I'm going to bring it back like that. There we go. Good. And now for the horn, the unicorn horn, I'm going to start right up here, do this, there we go. There we go, and there's the horn. The other side of the hair, and it's going to continue here at the back. Now we can maybe just do it like that, and then our last piece of hair. There we go. Now I'm going to do the front of the neck. So we're going to make a curvy line like this, and then I want to do the leg. So I'm going to do another curvy line. I'm going to stop right there, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to make a little mark right there, and I'm going to go backwards, and I'm going to draw the hoof, and I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to connect these two lines. There we go, and the hoof, and there's the hoof. Perfect. I just want to do that, the bottom part of the leg. So I'm going to start about there and I'm going to do this, and that's the bottom part. Now the next thing I want to do is actually draw from here, and I'm just going to draw a little line back for the belly of our unicorn. Hair, let's start with the hair again. There we go. I'm going to keep, you can put in a swervy line like this. We're going to do another swervy line. There we go. And you will just continue like that. It doesn't have to be precise, because remember, it's our own little picture. There we go. There we final one. And then let's make, for this here, let's make this one as well. And it can maybe lie over her back. There we go. Good. And now I want to do the front leg first, and I'm going to just make a line like this and curve it out like that. And then here at the front I'm going to do the same thing like there. And I'm just going to connect it, and we're going to draw another hoof, and I just want to follow the line up and just make a line like that. There's the front leg. Now for the back leg. I'm going to start at the front part of the back leg, and I'm just going to bring a line down like this, and then here at the back. I think the best we can do, let's start here at the bottom, and we're going to go here, and I'm going to bring it out like this and bring it in like that, and we're going to follow this up, make it round for the back. Good. There we go. And on this side, the other leg like that, and then hooves. There's a hoof, and there's the other hoof. Good. And maybe we can color the hooves in. There we go, there's the hooves. And now for the tail. So we're going to do the same as with the hair. You're just going to make these curvy lines. There we go. And you're just going to follow it along, and we're going to make a little tail. There we go, and another tail. There we go. Or another section of the tail, sorry. And there we go. And there's Luna. Now you can take your color pencils or your crayons or your markers, and you can color Luna in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Bye bye.